Aking pagbi-beach. Ayun guys.
Wow!
Back.
Oh my god!
First time.
What?
Pack na pack yan. Ayan siya guys, yung aking swimsuit for today.
Oh my god!
Ayun na ako guys. Pack. Ayan guys. Ang ganda niya. Pack. Ayan. Ano siya guys? Shein brand. Shein brand siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Oh. I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. I'm so happy. Ayan. Ready na naman ako sa aking pag-beach guys. Ayan, ang ganda na kanyang ano guys, oh. Ang kanyang likuran. Ang ganda. I really love it.
Oh my god!
Ayan. Ayan, lagyan natin ng lotion para hindi tayo mag-shin guys. Ayan, oh.
Oh my god!
Yung ating skin. Diba? Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan, parang model na naman ako guys. Oh. I love it. The pink swimsuit guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Oh. I love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan oh. For only 250 pesos guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan oh. Pack na pack siya guys. Talaga naman. Ayan. I really love it. One of my favorite color guys, yung ating pink swimsuit. So, ayan guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ayan guys. High waist siya. And high waist yung ating swimsuit. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan guys.
Oh my god!
Ayan. Feeling na naman ako guys. Ayan. I really love it. Yung ating swimsuits na napakaganda. Ayan guys. Sa murang halaga lang. Ayan. Sa murang halaga lang siya guys. Meron na naman akong pang-rampa. O diba? I really love it. Ayan. I'm ready na guys sa aking fashion walk. At sa aking pagbi-beach. Ayan guys.
Wow!
Back.
Oh my god!
Yeah, first time.
Oh my god!
I really love it.
Oh my god!